Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about rolling over futures, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to join the world's #1 Zero DTE trade destination. Enjoy guys.
When you are on a contract and it's getting close to expiring, but you really want to sell it, like if I had rolled it over, say, and I had it at a high price, when I roll it over, how does it calculate the price of where I'm at versus for the new contract? For instance, right now, the VIX...
Are you talking about an options contract or a futures contract?
Futures, yeah, futures. Because I bought some future, the VIX at 40, so I got it at a really good price. And then it went down some and everything. And there's about a $4 spread between this month's contract and next month's contract. Mm-hmm. And so if I had rolled it over, where would it have given me? Say my cost average was like 39, but the new contract was down around 25.
It has nothing to do with the value of your position because it's going to be all relative. You're going to spend about the same amount of money to go into the new contract. It's just going to be at a different price.
So it's not going to give me that price that I have it at then.
No, you don't. You're not changing like the value, the notional value of what you have.
Okay, that's what I thought. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, it's just a different price. It's you're still buying the same amount. You're going to probably pay the same amount. The only difference is that you're going to incur a commission.
So you're better off just selling and getting it at a price wherever you want it to be instead of...
No, see, the reason you were rolling it is so that you can maintain the position, but it's not going to change the value.
Okay, I get it. So say I had a couple $1,000s in profit on this contract, it's going to translate it to the same value. So it would put me where the new contract is, but it would still put me at a price where I still have the same value then. Yeah. Is what you're saying. Okay. Yeah. So if you do have pretty good profit, then that's actually not a bad thing. If you think it's going to continue to go down, I wish I wouldn't have sold now.
But it's also priced higher, so it could come down further. It's
and then you could get
priced higher. Say price is going down really fast, right? You may find that the future contract is actually priced lower to account for now the forward thinking that VIX is going to go even lower now because it's been dropping so fast. That situation is called backwardation. And that happens every once in a while. But generally, each forward month is priced a little bit higher than the backward month.
So if you roll it over, do they show you what the new price you would get it at if you roll over at that time?
You can see
so
it.
You can make a decision.
You're right. It's not that they can show it. It's right there. You actually do a pairs trade, right?
Oh, okay.
You exit one and buy the other at the same time.
Okay. All right, cool. That's good to know now. Thanks. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's school community.